Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import more than 1000 free skies background, free panorama sphere background into your Unreal Engine 4 from the HDRIheaven.com. From this website, I already put this link in the video description. You can just scroll down and check the video description and click into this link. From this link, you can see a lot of sky, a lot of panorama backgrounds, or will apply in your sphere. They are totally free, CC0 license, most of them, they are free. So, how to check the license? For example, if I want to use this sky background, I just need to right click, open in a new tab. At the same time, prepare your Unreal Engine to start. Alright, this once already click into that, you can download the 8K tone map. And how about the license? And this is the author. The license is CC0. It is totally free for you to use in your game project in Unreal Engine. You can just have a read. You no need to give any credits. You can use it for any purpose, including your commercial project, redistribute them. Of course, you can put in your game to make it become the skies in your game project. So it's over here. If you want to import into your Unreal Engine, you can just click the 8K tone map. This is a JPG file, this is a picture. Click it, and then it will start download. So click here, show in folder. This is Google Chrome browser. And this one is under my download folder. It is already inside here. See. This one can fit into a sphere. So now I can just right click and cut. As demo, I will put on my desktop, right click and paste. Just now I already downloaded another one, also the same. These are the HDRI image that can become the texture of a sphere. Next, what you need to do, you need a sphere mesh. By the way, you can just go to the video description. I already prepared a download link for you. This is a panorama sphere FBX file that I prepared for you. Go and download this. After that, you should be able to get a panorama sphere.fbx. This is an FBX file. If you are unable to see the file extensions, you can just click View. Option here, click the icon of option, click View, and then hide extension for known file type. You make sure you untick it, then click OK. Next, you should be able to see the file extension .fbx. If I double click it, it will open with the 3D viewer. This is just a sphere, and it is very useful. As demo, I will start an Unreal Engine new project. I will start as a game, as a third person. Then I will name it as tutorial sky demo 01. I create a new project here. Now this is a new project. I start everything from beginning, from fresh, so that you can see how to step by step create the sky from the HDRI heavens. Here really a lot, not only sky, it also includes some of the interior background, or you can import into that. As demo, I will download this as well. One more, just a demo. 8K tone map as well, 6.1 MB. Click here, show in folder. I will put on my desktop as well. Alright, once you already have the panorama sphere, start your Unreal Engine project, click the contents. Now I'm going to open a new folder here, right click, new folder. I will name it Sky. Sky, then enter, double click the sky. Next, import the panorama sphere.fbx. Drag in. Import all. Now, This is a static mesh. Next, what are you going to do is you double click it, and then this step is very important. Now you can see this is a sphere. Here you need to drag down until you see the collisions. The collision complexity you must choose as use complex collision as simple. This is better. This is the first step, then save it. Now you can close. As demo, now I will start a new level, or what we call a new map. File, new level, I will start the default one. So later, the player will spawn at here. So this is a plane. I will press R to make it wider so that you can run on that. This one, assume this is your terrain. Next, drag your panorama sphere to the center, here. Okay, if it is not the center, you can just click here, or put 0, here also 0. Next, press R, and then drag it become bigger. Now, if you play, you can see that actually you are inside this sphere. And here you can see a collision boundary. So now I press escape first. Now actually, it is something like this. It is a semi-sphere that covers the whole territory. And this is your game scene. You can build your house, your forest here as well. But how to import the texture? So just now, I already have 3 pictures. I will open a new folder under here. New folder, I will just name it texture. The sky texture, actually. I double click. Now, I just select 3. All of them you can download as many as possible from HDRI Heaven here. This is really a lot. It's over thousands. You can see many categories. So now, I import all these picture into here, sky texture. Now, it is importing, it maybe takes some time, it depends on the image size. Just need to wait for a while until it finish importing. If you feel the image size is too big, you also can download the smaller size from here. You can just skip from download the 8K tone map. If you feel 9.4 MB is too big, you can just right click here, save image as. Of course, this quality is not that good. It is blur a little bit. Alright. So now, you can see it already finished imported. Now, what can I do? Okay, drag all this image into the sky. Sorry. Click here. You select one only and drag into the sky. Drag into the sphere. Now, wait for a while. It will automatically generate the background. I play. Now you can see this one already become the background. It is really awesome, right? Can become your sky background. Of course, this panorama, you can just make it big. Alright, you also can change, for example, this one, Christmas photo, you can use it, you can utilize it as well. You just need to wait for a while to see how can it change. It is still generating. Now I try to play. You can see now it really become your interior background. And it is really awesome. It is look like 3D. It is bound in a sphere. And that is really awesome. They are free. please use it. Right, from HDRI, from HDRIHeaven.com, and that's all for today about how to import all the HDRIHeaven.com's free skies into your Unreal Engine game project. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and at the same time also turn on the mini bell to activate the notifications so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy animation and game developing. See you.